If you're comparing CoConstruct and Buildxact to determine which is best for estimating and costing in construction, you're in the right place. These two software options are widely used, but which one truly delivers the best value for your needs? Stick around to find out why. Even though both have their strengths, there might be a better alternative out there. Let's start with CoConstruct. It's known for its strong project management features, with a focus on custom home builders and remodelers. What's great about CoConstruct is its comprehensive cost estimating tools, which allow you to create detailed budgets, manage change orders, and track expenses. You can also easily connect with your team and clients, making communication smoother. But here's where it gets tricky. While CoConstruct does offer an impressive array of tools, it's not without its flaws. The software can be overwhelming for beginners. It has a steep learning curve, and although it offers a lot of customization, that also means it's not as user-friendly as you might want it to be. The price tag is also on the higher end, which may not justify the value for smaller companies or individual contractors. Next up is Buildxact. Buildxact positions itself as a simpler and more affordable option, focusing on ease of use without compromising too much on functionality. One of the standout features is its clear, straightforward cost estimating process. You can quickly create accurate quotes and detailed budgets with minimal hassle. For smaller companies or those just starting out, this simplicity is a huge benefit. However, Buildxact does have its limitations. While it's simple to use, it might not offer the depth of features that CoConstruct provides, especially when it comes to advanced project management capabilities. If you need detailed tracking for larger, complex projects, Buildxact could fall short. Plus, while it's more affordable, it still lacks some critical integrations that could enhance your workflow. The fourth thing to consider is the support and community around these tools. CoConstruct has an extensive support system, including live chat, phone support, and a strong user community. But again, the complexity of the software means that even with support, you might find yourself spending a lot of time troubleshooting. Buildxact, on the other hand, has a simpler support system, but it's not as robust. It may be enough for smaller businesses, but if you're managing larger projects or need specialized help, you might find yourself wanting more. Both companies offer training resources, but the quality and availability of these can vary. So, which is the better option for estimating and costing? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're a large-scale builder or a contractor looking for robust project management and deep customization, CoConstruct could be the better choice. But if you're a smaller business or someone just getting started, Buildxact's simplicity and affordability might make it a better fit. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I have to say that neither of them fully meets my needs when it comes to the goal of accurate and efficient cost estimation. If you want a tool that combines the best of both worlds, powerful functionality, ease of use, and better value, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the better alternative that I found for my needs. So, give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.